After you finish this easy tiger tutorial, you're going to have to stop saying you can't draw. You know the drill. Tap once to pause, twice to like. Start with a circle. Draw a cross, and a triangle, and a U shape. 2 more for the ears, pointy ovals for the eyes, and a dot in the middle for the pupil. Draw a U shape for the nose, and a little M. Draw the nostrils, and color it in. Draw a C shape, and an arch between the eyes. Let's put some stripes in now, and a few lines for a wrinkled nose. They get thicker toward the bottom, and some dots for the whiskers. Draw this bumpy shape above the eyes. Let's color in the nose. A couple of large stripes on the forehead, and some more stripes around the eyes. Some C shapes below the eyes, and make them thicker, and a jagged line around the head. And the top of the head, same thing. Let's outline the ears and color them in. 2 large incisors and some U shapes for the teeth. The tongue is a U shape. Color it in. And now to the bottom teeth and a bunch of circles. Dark around the mouth and some jagged lines for fur. Now just add whiskers. If you got value from this content, please do follow, like, comment, and share for more art tips and tutorials.